So the first step for our storytelling process, which is copy pasting this prompt, that will help us find an unpopular facts or unpopular reason for our story. For my example, I will try to create a video about the Empress Wu Zetian. She was an old Chinese empress. She had a scandal story. She had an affair with her own stepson. Even she married him. So the idea is to create a video about her. When I paste this prompt, he will give me 5 unpopular reasons and unknown story about our topic. First of all, I need to analyze which story and which angle I will use to create my video. For me, I think I prefer the reason number 8. So it depends on you guys. It is your video, so you need to choose carefully the vision of your video. For me, I choose this one. So then the next step, which is going deep with this reason. Then I will need to copy this prompt. I will tell ChatGPT, I think that the reason number, for me, it is the reason number 8, is really interesting. Then I will ask him to go deep into this reason and give me short and specific idea, events, etc., turning point or facts that will help me go deep in my story. You see, he quickly gave me 5 short specific visual and facts. I think it's okay for me. I can use these facts, to enhance the quality of my video, etc. So then the next step, which is creating the hook for our story. For that, it is so simple, as I said. Just copy and paste this prompt. Before this, we need to tell him, base it on this information, or base it on that, etc. You need to create me this hook, but first of all, I need to do precise that this is our story. Okay. Then he have created the hook. This woman, etc., got her rivals. I think that's okay for me as a beginning, as a first version of our hook. Okay, I think that I will keep it. But if you can just ask him to give you more variation of the hook. And as I said, guys, it depends on you. If you like the first version, that's okay. But if you don't want, you can just do again the hook. So the next step now is to generate the story. Again, we need to copy and paste this prompt. And I will tell him again, write me a dramatic short story. I need just to correct this one. That's topic. It is this story. Okay. Then you see he have gave me the right format of my story. He gave the year, etc., the content, the small twist, the plot twist, as we said in the early lessons. Okay, I think that I like this version, but I know that sometimes he gave you not the best version of himself. So you can ask him, for example, we will do a testing together. I will ask him to focus about how she married her own stepson, to see how can ChatGPT give you more example of the story. For that, I will ask him focus about how she married her stepson. Okay, so now we asked him to create us the second version of our story. We can choose between the first one and the second one, but if you want, guys, now you know the tools and how we going to create 2 versions of our story. It's up to you guys. Okay, so the second step now, the third step, sorry, which is very important, which is creating the scenes of our video. So for that, what we need to do is we need to ask ChatGPT to break down each line of our story into a scene and write us the prompt for each scene for Midjourney. Why is that so important? Because he will try to divide and break down the story into the 2D animation style scenes for us, and he have the intelligence to create us the best prompt that we will use on Midjourney. For that, we need just to indicate him what style of 2D animation. You can create 2D animation dark style, Disney style, 80s anime style. It depends on you guys. So let's first ask him to create us the first scene example, and then we are going to decide which one we are going to use. For that, he will think a little bit, then he will give us the result. Okay, so he gave us the prompt. All what we need to do is to copy and go back here on our Discord. We tap in imagine, paste the prompt, we add AR 9 to 16 because we are going to work on vertical video, the version V7, which is the last one. Then we can ask him to create us a raw style, which is very clean, and that's it. Okay, now he will need to think. Okay, now he gave me 4 variations of our first scene. I think all the 4 scenes are good enough to work with, but I will choose the first one. Okay, this is the first scene. It have too much details, which is good. Okay, let's go back now to ChatGPT and let's try to ask him to create us the second scene, and this will give us the idea on what are the possibilities that ChatGPT can generate in terms of prompt, and also what kind of animation style we need to choose on Midjourney. For that, I will ask him to create us any scene of the Empress when she is in her castle. Then I need to copy, go back here and paste. I will add again the same parameters for the resolution and style and version. Okay, I need to indicate him the name of the character. Maybe it will help him, we don't know. I think now he gave me a better result when I asked him to create an image of the Empress. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, I think that I prefer the second one, where it have only 3 colors, the red, black and white. Let's click on upgrade or upscale. It's very, very awesome. Okay, I think I will choose this style for the rest of our story. For that, I need to go back to ChatGPT. I will tell him that, okay, now create me the rest of the scenes. Then he will try to create us the prompt for each scene. Okay, I will accelerate the video a little bit because it will take a long time to generate the rest of the prompt. Okay, now I will go back to ChatGPT again, to Midjourney, sorry, and paste the prompt. I will paste the same parameters. By the way, guys, if you want to create a horizontal YouTube video, you can just change from 9 to 16 to 16 to 9. Okay, then to keep the style, we need to add sref and paste the URL of the image. This will ask Midjourney to keep always the same style of the image that have our style as a reference. You see, he used the same colors, the same style, the same characters also, which is very, very good for us. So now what we have to do is to do the same process for the rest of the scenes. We need to upgrade or upscale the image. Then we need to do the rest for the rest of the scenes. And let's show you how to create the videos. We click on web and then we click on animate image low motion. It will take a couple of seconds. We will do the same thing for this scene, but we need to first to recreate it using the same red and black and white style. We need to do sref, then paste the URL of the image. Okay, you see now he tried to give me two style of the image. One image where we show only one scene, and for the first and the third scene he gave me three images. I will click on the third one just to show you the example of video he will create, because sometimes he do some mistakes, but I need to do this one in front of you to understand which one suits you the best next time. Okay, now he's starting the generation of the image. Okay, then guys, as I said, you need to just copy and paste the rest of the scenes into Midjourney, and your visuals and video will be done. Okay, let's do the fourth scene together. The fourth variation of this scene also. Midjourney is really excellent in keeping the same style. Okay, now we need to upscale the third variation, because this one I will use it on my video. Then let's go back to animate this scene also. You can click on low motion. Okay, let's see if we have finished the first scene. Okay, it's done. Okay, this scene is good. This video I don't like it because it have a wind effect. No, this one too I don't like it because it have the wind effect. This one is very good. Okay, I think I will use this one. Download for social media to have the best quality. You see, this is the first scene that we are going to use as an entry. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. It have some. No, this one is good. This one too is good. Okay, I think I will use this one, or maybe this one. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, I think I will use this one because this is the only scene where the Empress is walking against the camera, not toward the camera. This one I don't like it because it's kind of weird. She's like dancing. I think I will use this one. This one is better. Okay, download. Okay, I think that's enough for our tutorial of how we are going to create generating the images and the videos. Let's do an example with only 4 scenes. Then I will show you how to do the same thing and process for the rest of the scenes. For that, you are going to use CapCut, of course. If you don't, if you have not downloaded yet, you can find the link below. Okay. Now we need to add the videos. This one, the second one, sorry, the second one, and this one. Okay, so you see in this interface we need to add our assets, our videos that we have created on Midjourney, and later we are going to add the audio using ElevenLabs for the voiceover, and finally we will add the captions. We will add also the sound effect and we will see together how we are going to finish this video. Okay guys, I think that's it for this session, and I will see you for the next video. Okay, so for this video we were going to do together the generation of the voiceover using ElevenLabs. It is an available web application. You can use it, or if you prefer, you can have other alternative like Speechma. For me, I prefer ElevenLabs because it have more professional tones and voices, and also it is the most advanced tool available actually. So it is so easy to use. We need just to copy this text, for example. We copy it, we go to ElevenLabs, then we paste it. Then we need to select the setting of our voice. For me, I prefer Peter, and the speed it will be 0.92, and for stability it will be 39%, and the similarity it will be 75%. Then we need to just click on generate speech.
It's 654, a vast empire in the east.
Exactly, this is what I want. Now all I need to have is, all I need to do is to download the audio, and he downloaded it. And so on. You need to create the rest of the video of the audio for each line, or for each line, or for each scene, sorry. And that's it, guys. It is very easy to use, and if you want, you can use other alternative, like I said, Speechma. You will have the link on the description below. Now we have finished the generation of all the audio using ElevenLabs. I have imported every scene that I have created with ElevenLabs. These are all the audio, and these are all the video that you have created with Midjourney. I will show you guys what is the difference between creating only the scenes with audio and the video of our scenes using Midjourney, because then I have added also the sound effects. I will show you later how to create them or how to download them, and also when to add them to give your video a cinematic sound effect that will can boost the quality of your video. Here is the final example of the video. I will let you watch the video, then we will make all the sound effect on to see the difference between the two version of video. Okay, let's go.
This woman married her own stepson, cradled her rival's children. Then
Sorry, I think that I have one sound effect which is already active. I need to search for it. Yes, it is this one. Let's go back, sorry.
This woman married her own stepson, cradled her rival's children. Then one by one, they vanished in silence. It's 654, a vast empire in the east. A concubine loses her emperor.
Okay, this is the first version of our video without sound effect. Then I will try to make all the sound effect on to see what is the difference between the two versions of the videos. Okay, I will move everything on.
This woman married her own stepson, cradled her rival's children. Then one by one, they vanished in silence. It's 654, a vast empire in the east. A concubine loses her emperor.
Okay, you see guys the difference between the two versions. First of all, we start the video always with an impact. An impact, it is a sound where it do a kind of hit, and an impact is the sound of an impact. It is named like this to shock the viewer, or to shock the listener, or to catch his attention. Because I will try to hide all the video. You see, when you listen and hear this voice, you will be shocked, and you will wait for something to start. Okay, this kind of sound effect, it is good at the first at the beginning of the video, and also when we do a plot twist or when we finish the hook. You see I have added an impact here and an impact here. You see the name impact one shot, and I have added also an impact here after the hook. You see it is to refresh the attention of the viewer. And also I have added another impact here when I do the plot twist, another one after the plot twist. You will learn when to add an impact by experience, but as I am saying now, guys, you will need to add an impact at the beginning of the video. Then when you do the black scene, you will need add another impact. And also after the black scene, after the hook, you need to add another impact also. And at the middle of the video, when you choose the black scene, the second black scene, and the final one should be here. Okay, guys. Okay, this is the first style, or the first type of the sound effect, which is the impact. The second one, which is called percussion sound effect, or we can name it also drone effect. It is kind of a video, sorry, it is an audio file that it will be in the background of the events. It is, I will need to only activate this one. This one is a percussion audio. See, this is also another type of percussion. Don't worry, guys, I have provided all the type of sound effect for free. You can find the link below. This one also is another type of percussion or drone. Okay, try to do at least two type of percussion audio or drone effect, and at the end you can also add this kind of finish audio. It is another percussion audio where we reveal the name of the character. You see, it is this one. Okay, these are the three main audio file or sound effect type we can add to enhance the quality of our video. As I said, the impact, then the percussion, which is also named the drone, then this is the ending audio sound effect. Also, between the black scene and the ending of the hook, we can add a riser. A riser, it is this kind of audio. I will try to make you hear this audio. You see, when you create it, when we add this sound effect, it will catch the attention again. Try to do some test adding the riser after after the end of the black scene and before the start of the black scene. You see, I have added before this the start of the black scene, at the end, and also here, and also this one here. Okay, I think that's it, guys, for the sound effect. It is really a quick lesson because there is no complicated steps to do. As I told you, we need to add the videos, then we need to add the audio. That each audio should match the context of the video. I think the last one, maybe if you are going to use CapCut, we can add some sound effect. We can find it here, audio. Then we can go to sound effect, for example. Let me just find where we can add some sound effect. For example, this one. You see here there are these warriors, or these people in this video are having holding some fire torch. We can search for here fire. We can adding, for example, fire burning. we can add it here. Then we click on play. You will see. Oh, sorry, I need to make it on. Sometime you will have a car on your video. Try to find, for example, a car sound. You will have a lot of audio sound effect available on CapCut. Okay, I think that's it, guys, for this lesson. For this lesson, and see you in the next module. Okay, now the last step, which is adding the captions and adding the text on our videos. It is so simple to do because it is already integrated on CapCut. For this, you need just to go to captions, and then you need to be sure that all the audio are activated. Then you just to click on generate. Make sure that you have your own language is already selected. Then you need to click on generate. It will take a couple of seconds. It depends on the duration of your video, but if it is only 1 minute or 2 minute video, it will be so quick. You see, you have already created all the captions for our video. For us, we need just to select the style of our text. For me, I prefer this one, Shelton. You can use it if you want, but if you want to do your own style of text, you have a lot of template or style font. I will click on Shelton. I will add this style, and that's it, guys.
This woman married her own stepson. Cradled her rival's
Okay, I
children.
think for the black
Then
scenes,
one
you
by
know
one,
my style, guys. I prefer, since it is a black scene, I want to move the caption on the middle. Then I will make it a little bigger, and that's it. Then your call to action, which is the text that will ask the viewer to comment or to download your PDF or to join your course or to join your Discord channel. It depends on you, guys. You want to add it also in your video. For this, you need just to click on text. Then you need to search on yours. For me, I have created my preset. It is here, but I will show you how. You go to text template. Then you need to find your text style you want to add. For example, I will use this one. Just an example, guys. You need to click download it and you click on plus. He will add it here. Then you need to, for example, ask the viewer to comment PDF, and I will send you the link. Then the text will be added here. It depends on you, guys. There is a lot of styles of text. It is just an example here together.
She's sent to a
Comment
convent,
PDF, and I will
locked
send you the
away
link.
for life.
You need to just be sure that it is only 5 seconds or 6 seconds, and that's it, guys. Now our video is ready. The final step is just to go and export the video. We need to make sure that it is 4K or 2K. It depends on the platform. If it is on YouTube, you need to be sure that it is 4K or at least 2K. Give it a name, and that's it, guys.